What is a credit report? Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is a credit report? Actually, a more accurate term, at least according to the FCRA, is consumer report, which it defines as any written, oral, or other communication of any information by a consumer reporting agency bearing on a consumer's credit worthiness, credit standing, credit capacity, character, general reputation, personal characteristics, or mode of living which is used or expected to be used or were collected in whole or in part for the purpose of serving as a factor in establishing the consumer's eligibility for A. Credit or insurance to be used primarily for personal, family, or household purposes. B. Employment purposes. Or C. Any other purpose authorized under Section 604. So, a consumer report includes more than we commonly expect when we talk about credit reports. As you can see from the law, companies offer many different types of specialized reports on information that goes beyond simple credit history. So for our purposes, we're still going to talk about credit reports, even though the FCRA never mentions the term credit report. Just remember that a credit report is one type of consumer report, and so is covered by all the protections set forth in the FCRA. Okay, so back to the original question. What's a credit report? For our purposes, a credit report is a collection of information about you that attempts to explain your experience with different creditors. A credit report collects information from many, if not most, of your creditors about how you've handled your loans and debt. It will list which creditors you owe and how much you owe them. It will also show whether you made your payments on time, were sometimes late, or completely failed to repay the debt. And your credit report may vary depending on which company you received it from. Therefore, let's look at the companies that create the credit reports. A credit report can be a confusing document. If you like a free, no-obligation consultation to help clear up any questions or concerns you have, simply enter your information on this page. Don't worry, we hate spam as much as you do, so we will never rent, sell, or trade your email address to anyone. And we will never send you any information unless we feel it will be a great benefit to you. So simply fill in the information on this page, and we'll schedule a time to talk one-on-one with you.